Find you here at Westlow Kia Carlsbad, and I'm standing in front of the brand new 2020 Kia Telluride, and I'm very excited to tell you about this vehicle because this is big. Now, at the 2019 Detroit Auto Show, this vehicle was named Best in Show. Let's start with the outside. What you're looking at here is machine alloy 20-inch rims. You'll also notice this polished metal chrome accent, the polished metal accent around the windows. So we're gonna go look at the engine for a second. Let's go over here. 3.8 liter V6 engine delivers 291 horsepower. So let's show you what it looks like as you're getting in the vehicle and how much room you have. A nice wide door, a lot of room. You have dual heated seats in the front. We'll get some of the interior features in a minute, but I want to show you that this back seat, sliding seat available. You get to put your seat belt in a holder here so it doesn't rattle around. So coming around the back, you can see this hatch with our bold name once again. Really clean looking rear hatch. So pop this down, throw that forward, and you see plenty of room back here, and now you have your 5-passenger SUV. I just press these 2 power buttons right here, and my seats fold all the way down. All the room you're ever gonna need. Let's go on the inside and take a look at a few things on the inside of the vehicle. This is a power sliding sunroof, an 8-inch display screen, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, of course. Your navigation will play through there. It'll store all your information, download all your music, play Sirius XM. So it's a great display. Leather-wrapped steering wheel, leather-wrapped shifter knob. This vehicle is equipped with auto hold, dual heated seats, USB ports. You got USB port here, you got plenty in the back. All your cruise control, radio controls, all of that happens right here from your steering wheel. You can do your texting verbally. You can answer your calls verbally. You can do voice commands to make your phone calls for you. If you're having a difficult time getting down here, you got a hectic schedule, you can go online, go to our website. We'll schedule a test drive, exchange some information, get you all the information you need. Come on down. I'm excited about it, and I think you will be too. Hey, hope to see you soon. Come on down, check this thing out. You won't be disappointed.